Hello and welcome back to Latinx.montessori. My name is Orlando, and in this video I will share everything you need to know about cloth diapers. So if you are thinking about cloth diapering and do not know which type to use, I got you covered. I am going to make your life a lot easier. Before we began cloth diapering, we didn't know much about cloth diapers. We just kind of went with what people recommended, and a lot of the recommendations were not that great. Honestly, we wish we knew everything that I'm going to share in this video, so you are in for a good treat. I will cover the 6 types of cloth diapers, their cost, pros and cons, material, sizes, and how to use them. Now, my daughter doesn't wear diapers anymore, so I'm going to show you how to put them on with one of her dolls. But the process is the same for almost every cloth diaper. And at the end of this video, I will tell you where to find quality and affordable cloth diapers, so make sure to watch until the end. Now, just to be clear, this is a video on the types of cloth diapers only. I will keep it very simple. If you want to know how much money you can save with cloth diapers or want to compare cloth versus disposable and their pros and cons, I created separate videos on those topics. Just click on the links that will appear up here. And I will also leave the links to those videos in the description below. Now, before I continue, I would appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you can become part of our parenting community. And with that said, let's get started. The first type is called all-in-one. And all-in-one is a one-piece cloth diaper with an integrated absorbent layer known as an insert sewn into the outer shell, also known as the cover. And since everything is in one piece, there's no need to have separate inserts or covers. And this closely resembles a disposable diaper, but made out of cloth. They have an adjustable closure system at the waist with either snap buttons or hook and loops, so it fits babies of various ages. All-in-one diapers are very convenient and easy to use. You just put them on your baby and adjust the size accordingly. Now, not only can you adjust the size at the waist, but you can also adjust the length of the cloth diapers. And once you adjust the length of the diaper, this elastic part creates a seal around your baby's legs, and this further prevents any leaks. And the way you put on and adjust this cloth diaper also applies to the other cloth diapers that I will talk about shortly. Now, when it's time to change your baby, you simply take it off, dump the poop in the toilet, rinse it, and then throw it in your diaper pail. Just note that you cannot use any diaper pail like the Diaper Genie or some of the common brands you can find. You need a diaper pail specifically for cloth diapers. The one that worked for us and I highly recommend is a Ubi diaper pail. I also made a video on the best diaper pails for cloth diapers, so make sure you check it out by clicking on the link up here, or I will also leave the description or the link to that video in the description below. The biggest benefit of using all-in-one cloth diapers is that you just take them off, rinse them, and throw them in your diaper pail. Simple as that. The only drawback is that because it is thicker, it's one piece, it is going to take longer to dry. So it'll be a good idea to have extra all-in-one cloth diapers available just in case you run out. And if you go with this option, I recommend you have at least 3 days worth of clean diapers. So assuming that you are going to change your baby 12 times a day, which is pretty typical and normal, especially for a newborn, you are going to need a total of about 36 cloth diapers. And the cost of all-in-ones can be between $15 and $18, which is a little bit pricier, but you are paying for the convenience and the all-in-one design. The second type is all-in-twos, and these are actually our favorite type of cloth diaper, mainly because you can reuse the waterproof shell, and they're also a very affordable, budget-friendly option. All-in-two cloth diapers come in 2 pieces, a waterproof shell and the snap-in absorbent insert. When your baby pees or poops, you can simply remove the insert and empty the contents in the toilet and reuse the shell at least twice. Now, to clean the shell, you can spray it with some water, wipe it, and then add a clean insert. And this eliminates the amount of outer shells you need, which can save you a good amount of money in the long run. You can also adjust the size of this cloth diaper depending on the age and size of your child, so you're going to be using them for a very long time. Now, what we liked about this diaper is that it is very cost effective, it's affordable, mainly because you don't need to buy as many waterproof shells. Remember that you can wash them and reuse them at least twice. Now, the only minor inconvenience is that you do have to snap in the insert And this can take a while, especially if you are on the go. So if you're heading out with your child, I suggest you place the insert inside before you pack it in your diaper bag. Another thing you should know is that the insert does have to have a snap button. So you can use it with the diaper, otherwise the insert can slide around inside the diaper or the shell, and it won't be as effective. So how many will you need? Using the same assumption as before, you probably need about 36 inserts, but less shells, because again, you can wipe them and reuse them. So a good guess would be about 18 diaper shells at the very most. And as far as cost, you can spend about $12 to $23 per shell and $2.77 per insert, or $16 for a pack of 6 inserts. So you save a little bit of money, a few cents, if you get the pack of inserts. The third type is the pocket cloth diaper, and they are very similar to all-in-twos in the sense that they also come in 2 pieces, but instead of a snap, they have a pocket where you add the insert. Essentially, they consist of a waterproof shell with a pocket opening to add the insert. And to use it, you simply open the pocket of the diaper and put the insert in. Simple as that. And similar to all-in-twos, you also adjust the size of the diaper with the built-in snaps. This one is a great option. The only thing that we didn't like is that the pocket is made out of cloth. So when your baby pees and poops and gets the diaper soiled, you do have to wash both the insert and the shell. You also have to make sure that you place the insert inside the cloth diaper to prevent any leaks. If you don't put it in the right way, like I am showing it here, you are going to end up with some pretty big accidents. And as far as quantity, you'll need about 36 inserts and 36 pocket cloth diapers. Remember that you cannot wash these cloth diapers, so your initial investment is going to be a little higher. Now, the price for pocket cloth diapers is similar to all-in-twos, about $12 to $23 per diaper, and $2.77 for 1 insert, or $16 for a pack of 6 inserts. The fourth type is called Prefold cloth diapers, and are one of the most affordable types of diapers, and their design is pretty simple. They are basically a piece of square fabric consisting of multiple layers and pre-folded into 3 panels, with the middle panel being the thicker and more absorbent. It has the absorbent material. Now you can use it as a standalone diaper without a shell and secure it with snappies, which are fasteners that grip into the fabric of the diaper, but honestly, we didn't find it convenient. We did have a few Prefold cloth diapers, but we used them as inserts with our pocket diapers because they are cheaper than the actual inserts. They go for about $10 for a pack of 6, which is pretty affordable, and I think that's the biggest benefit, affordability. The only thing we didn't like is that you still need a waterproof shell to make the entire system waterproof. So essentially, you are putting a Prefold cloth diaper inside a pocket diaper. And as far as quantity, you still need about 36 Prefold cloth diapers and 36 waterproof shells. The fifth type is fitted cloth diapers, and these cloth diapers have elastic around the legs and waist, which contour perfectly to your baby's shape, as you can see here, and you can fasten them easily with snap closures. What we liked about these cloth diapers is that they are pretty good at preventing leaks compared to Prefold cloth diapers, mainly because of this elastic part that kind of wraps around your baby's legs, but you still need a waterproof shell to make the entire system waterproof. The good thing is that you can use all-in-two diaper shells, which again can be reused a couple times, but you still need about 36 fitted cloth diapers, and they go for about $9 to $19 depending on the brand. And finally, flat diapers. These are like the OGs of cloth diapers, the one I used when I was a baby. I don't have any to show you, mainly because we didn't use them, but essentially they are a piece of square fabric that kind of looks like Prefold cloth diapers, but only have one absorbent layer and are not pre-folded, so they're basically flat, hence the name flat cloth diapers. They're pretty affordable, but the only time you should use them is with a newborn, mainly because newborns don't pee and poop a lot, so they are pretty easy to wash. But once your baby starts eating solids, then you are going to need something more absorbent, whether it's a Prefold, all-in-one, or all-in-two, or fitted cloth diaper. Now, the way you use them is you can either fold them and use them as an insert, or you can wrap them around your baby like a fitted cloth diaper and secure it with the snappies. So in general, they're pretty convenient and affordable, but as I said, it's best to use them with newborns. That means that eventually you will have to invest in better, more absorbent cloth diapers. Now you'll still need about 36 flat cloth diapers, and for what they are, I think they're pretty expensive. You can get them for about $10 for a pack of 6, which again, I think they're a little bit expensive for what they are. Now let's talk about sizes. Essentially, you have two options, newborn and one size. And as you can see, the difference is pretty significant. Newborn size cloth diapers are designed to fit babies from birth to around 10 pounds. The waist and length of the diaper is much smaller to accommodate the smaller body of a newborn. So it is going to be a little more comfortable. The only thing to consider is that your newborn is going to outgrow it very quick. So eventually you will have to invest in one size cloth diapers. And one size cloth diapers, also known as adjustable, are designed to accommodate your baby from birth all the way to potty training. And as I showed you before, you can adjust the length and the size of this cloth diaper to accommodate the growing needs of your baby. And even though they can be used with newborns, they're just too bulky for their smaller size and can get pretty uncomfortable. If you have a big baby, one size might work for you. In our case, our daughter was pretty small and is still small compared to other kids her age. So we didn't see the need of buying and investing in newborn size cloth diapers. We ended up using disposable diapers for the first month, and then we switched to one size cloth diapers. And the last piece of information you need to know is a type of material for cloth diapers, which can significantly impact their performance, comfort, and price. Cotton is the most common choice for cloth diapers because it's very soft on your baby's skin and has good absorbency. And it is often used in Prefold and flat diapers and is very budget-friendly option. Hemp is a natural and eco-friendly material that is highly absorbent. This is a good material for inserts because it can absorb a good amount of fluid. It is also a sustainable material that requires fewer resources to produce, so you'll know you'll be helping the environment if you choose this option. Now, one thing to consider is that hemp can be slower to absorb moisture, and your baby may feel the wetness of the insert. Bamboo is another natural and eco-friendly material that is also soft and has good absorbency properties. Just know that bamboo may require more delicate handling during washing to maintain its softness and integrity. Microfiber is a synthetic material designed to be highly absorbent, which makes it a very popular choice for inserts, and this is the type we used. It also has excellent wicking properties and can absorb a large amount of moisture. However, it is very prone to compression leaks, which means that when it's pressed, like when your baby sits down, it can release fluid. PUL or polyurethane laminate is a waterproof material used in the outer layers of many diaper covers and all-in-one diapers because it's designed to prevent leaks and keep your baby dry. It is very easy to clean, and this is why you can use it multiple times. Usually you can just spray it with water and wipe. One thing to consider though is that your baby can get uncomfortable in hot weather because the shell may trap some heat. And the last material is wool. Now, wool is used on shells and are made from natural and breathable wool fibers and offer excellent moisture control and breathability. And this is why it is a great option for nighttime use. And because of its good breathability, it can help regulate your baby's temperature and reduce the risk of overheating. Now, where do you buy quality cloth diapers at a low cost? There are a couple sites that I recommend. The first one is clothdiaper.com. They have a large selection of cloth diapers from various brands. You can also find a lot of accessories like wipes, liners, and soap for cloth diapers. And you get free shipping on qualifying orders. The other place that I recommend is Nikki's Diapers. They also have great quality diapers, but their selection is very limited. And you also get free shipping on orders over only $10. So that's a pretty good deal. I'll leave the links to both of those sites in the description below. They are affiliate links. That means that we do get a tiny commission if you make a purchase, but that only helps us to bring you more content just like this. So we appreciate it in advance if you can use our affiliate links. And that brings us to the end of this video. Cloth diapering is a big topic, but there's only so much I can cover in a short video. So I'll try to keep it simple and to the point. Now, like I said before, I created separate videos on the cost of disposable versus cloth diapering and the pros and cons of each. Those videos will appear on the sides here shortly, so make sure you check those out. But before you do, I would appreciate it if you can subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click on the notification bell so you never miss another episode. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon.